New Goyard bags, let's talk about them. Dozens of Hermes unboxings, we'll get to them later. We have a Goyard update. 4 new colors in 4 bags, plus a new way of marquage. 16 bags total, well, 2 don't. One doesn't have 2, so 14 bags total. 14 new, limited edition Goyard bags for 2026, part of their 2026 new colors, new theme. Let's talk about it. Goyard's limited edition new colors and bags, okay? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic. And today we're going to talk about the new Goyard bags that just came out this week. There's 4 new colors and 4 bag styles and a new way of marquaging it. And so they've done a new way of marquage. So we're going to look through the bags and photos here and we'll talk about it, okay? So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? Before we get into it, has anyone seen these bags? Has anyone tried these bags? Does anyone know the price of these bags? Does anyone like it? Hate it? What are your opinions? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, let me pull up the email first. So Goyard's theme this year is through the seasons. So they have 4 colors for the 4 seasons. Okay, 4 new exclusive canvas colors celebrating the seasons. The Seasons Parade. Throughout 2026, Goyard will celebrate the seasons and how they symbolize at once endless evolution and untouched perenity. A perfect balance between what was passed on and what is reinvented that resonates with Goyard's own commitment to upholding its heritage while exploring new avenues of creativity. Okay, so we got the white one at the top, then we got the green one. The Ballad of the Seasons, according to Goyard, offers 4 subtle colorways: polar blue, which highlights the crispy purity of winter; meadow green, which details the freshness of spring; blueberry purple, which captures the vibrancy of summer; and powder pink, which conjures up the warm tones of a radiant autumn. I don't know that powder pink really works, or blueberry purple, but I see the polar and the green. This purple one is the one that I'm most excited about because they've done purple before, but this is, it's cool. And purple is, Hermes is doing purple. There's purple color at Hermes that's just called purple. It's like the color of the season or the color of the year. A curated selection of timelessly elegant Goyard creations kickstarts the Seasons Parade, according to Goyard, with a scarf #1 and 4 precious bags further elevated by leather and Goyardine canvas marquetry motifs. So they're also doing scarves. So let's now click and we'll see all 4. So there are 4 colors, 4 bags. They're all trunk bags, it looks like. There's a Saigon, but that only comes in 2 bags. So there's 14 total. And it's a new way of marquage, meaning it looks kind of different than the normal marquage that Goyard has done in the past. The Bezons trunk bag, the Saigon mini trunk bag, the Saigon structure mini trunk bag, and the Alto hat trunk bag, okay? So there's those 4 bags, and 3 of them are in 4 colors. 1 is in 2 colors. It's the mini Saigon structure. It's not the nano, but it's only coming in the pink and the purple, which means we think those are the 2 most popular. Purple is new. Powder pink they've done before, I think in 2022 and 2024, and maybe even before that. But let's just look through all of them. So we got the trunk in purple, in green, in white, and in pink. And if you look closely on each of them, you can see that there's like this. It's just one big Goyard 22-23% on Paris in the middle, and then another Y under it, and that's the whole thing. And inside, they say it's like a puzzle. 2020 limited edition shrunk through leather marquetry, a unique leather marquetry technique, a unique craftsmanship skill. Each Goyardine canvas element is manually assembled with pliers, making the assembly a true puzzle to give the impression of a single leather insert. So it's a piece, and then they put the other pieces in to look like one piece, but I guess it isn't one piece. And the Goyardine pieces inside are different colors too. Some of them are limited, like this one has a little bit of blue in it. I'm gonna show you on the other bag because it shows it better. Here's the Saigon trunk bag. So if you look closely, it's got a little bit of yellow. It's got a little bit of like a lighter green in there and a darker khaki green. So some of the old colors. It's got the powder pink in there. So it's got a combination of limited edition colors. The purple one has some light blue in there too. Maybe that's sky blue, or is it turquoise? I can't tell. It's got some purple in there, black, and then some white. Maybe that's the polar bear white, maybe not. The polar bear one has, again, a little bit of pink, a little bit of turquoise, a little bit of regular blue. So you can see a little combination there. And then the pink one has some, I don't love the colors on the pink one, to be honest. I don't think it goes well, but I guess that's to help with fall. The orange, the yellow, and then a little bit of pink and white. So the winter polar blue has the blues, the spring has the spring colors, And the summer blueberry has, they could put some green in there too. Anyway, so that's that bag. It's coming in the Alto Hot bag. I'm just gonna show you. Bam, bam, bam. And then finally in the Little Saigon. Has anyone seen these bags? Has anyone gotten these bags? Does anyone know the price of them? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. As you guys know, I have not bought Goyard in a long time. I have a little bit of a, we're in a little bit of a fight, little issues going on, but I'll talk about that in a separate video. I still love the Goyard, and I still have bags. I mean, that's not true. I have bought. I have a repair right now. Like, there's things going on, but I haven't really gotten a limited edition bag in a long time. I haven't been invited to buy a limited edition bag in a long time. Okay, so what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like it? Do we love it? Do we hate it? What do we think of this marquage? I personally, I mean, it's different. I get that Goyard's trying to keep themselves updated and new and up with the times and something new every year and different. I would have just done the purple with the regular colors. I would have done it plain. This kind of gives that like graffiti vibe, or the other recent bags. I've never seen any of these out in the wild. I've never seen anyone carrying any of these. And I know they're super limited, and I'm sure the VIC sales have already happened. If not, they're over and they're sold out. And if the regular one, if they hit the floor for the regular people, they might be there or they might be not. Let me know if you've seen them, if you bought the early pre-sales or not. Again, I have not been into Goyard in the US in a long time. Paris is a different story. Paris is completely different story. But I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and let's talk about it in the comments below. Yeah, that's all I got about this one. Just wanted to do a quick update. There are 2 more updates as well. There was another bag that came out, a new style, like a baguette style bag. I'll do that in a separate video. And then there was this midnight collection they did at the end of last year too, which I thought was really cool. And Hermes did a very similar thing starting at the beginning of this year. I don't know if it was who copied who, but it's like a black, all black, jet black with like little midnight sparkles like the sky or something like that. I'll do it in a separate video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I got some Hermes unboxing for you later. That's all I got, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share it with your friends and family. If you hated it, share it with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time with me. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.